Hi everyone and welcome to Freedom Lands. In this short video I will show you how to replace a broken door handle for the popular Camec Caravan door lock. A little while ago we had the internal handle break and we posted a video about it. So this is part 2 of what's quickly becoming a series on broken door handles. This time it's the external handle that's broken off on our Lifestyle Campers Reconn R4. Fortunately we still haven't lost the handle and can still open the door. But it's not ideal. As usual, these things happen in the most inconvenient places. Right now, we're in the middle of the West Australian outback, where we'd have no hope of getting mail anytime soon. So luckily, when I ordered a replacement for the last breakage, I got the full assembly with the external and internal handles together. It's 38 degrees, and the flies can't wait to get into the van as soon as I open the door. But luckily, it's a quick and easy fix. All we need is 2 screwdrivers, flattened Phillips head, and of course the spare handle. Let's get cracking. Just like with the internal handle, the first thing we need to do is undo the 3 screws on the internal side of the lock and the handle. So the screws are located at the top and bottom, and the third one is hidden behind the latch. So we need to press this button here as if the door was shut, and then press the latch down, and there's the screw. Unlike the internal side, we don't actually need to take this assembly out. In fact, it's better not to take it off at all because it can be a bit of a pain to put back in. So I'm just going to use a bit of tape to tape it down so it doesn't come out. So we'll just take off the outside part of it. Now we need to take the barrel out, and we do it by just using the screwdriver here to pull that little tab and pushing on the back side of the barrel, and it just pops right out, like so. And that's the broken remnant of the old handle. Now, even though I've got a full spare assembly, we don't actually need the whole thing. We just need the handle part with the spring, or you can reuse the spring from the broken one. You can actually just buy the spare handle from Camec, and that's all you need for this repair. On the new handle, you'll have a spring here, and what we need to do is just pull it so it clicks against this notch here, and we need to hold it in place, otherwise it will just keep bouncing off. And then we're going to insert it into the assembly. Just push it in and just gently push it in until it clicks in. That looks pretty good. And now we just need to insert the barrel back in. And until it clicks. And we're almost done. Before we put this back in, we just need to make sure that we rotate the barrel like this so it's in the open position, and then we're ready to put it back in the door. All that's left are the 3 screws on the back. And we're done. If you have one of these locks, I highly recommend that you get spares for both internal and external handles, so you don't get caught out in the middle of nowhere. Now that I've used my spare, I'm going to order another one, but I think I'm going to go a step further. I've seen aluminium versions of these handles online. I'm going to post a link in comments, and I think I'll order those as my spares, and when this one breaks, I'll have something hopefully permanent to put in there. I hope you found this video useful. Hit that subscribe button. We're always breaking things, fixing things as we travel full-time around Australia. Catch you in the next video.